Hello friends and welcome back to the Techvision channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUSTOR Flashstor Gen2 series with embedded performance. So friend, ASUSTOR has announced Flashstor NAS lineup with introduction of Flashstor Gen2 series comprised of Flashstor 6 Generation 2 and Flashstor 12 Pro Generation 2 model. And this new series incorporates significant hardware upgrade aimed at meeting the requirement of both enthusiasts and professional users. Central to the Flashstor Generation 2 series is AMD Ryzen embedded V3C14 processor built-in 6nm fabrication process, and this quad-core CPU operates at base frequency of 2.3 GHz and can boost up to 3.8 GHz in providing a balance of efficiency and high performance. And the processor combined with high speed input-output connectivity ensure that user can fully leverage the capability of the ASUSTOR NAS system. The Flashstor Generation 2 series is equipped with advanced networking and connectivity options including 10 gigabit Ethernet and dual USB 4 port. And first ASUSTOR device, the inclusion of USB 4 port allow for rapid data transfer and fully utilize the speed potential of M.2 NVMe SSD. And these ports are also compatible with Thunderbolt device and support direct array technology, offering versatile connectivity of various professional and creative applications. And the Flashstor 6 Generation 2 model features 6 M.2 SSD for NVMe SSD and 8 GB of 4800 MHz RAM and single 10 gigabit Ethernet port, significantly boosting overall system performance. And the Flashstor 12 Pro Generation 2 enhances this configuration furthermore by providing 12 M.2 and additionally 10 gigabit Ethernet port along with the 16 GB of DDR5 ECC memory, and both models support up to 64 GB of ECC memory, which enhance system stability and data integrity, making them suitable for enterprise servers and workstations. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.